In this video, I will show you how to create a pre-assessment page or activity page. So first we go to our Axis website, and then we log in our system. So here, because we will create a pre-assessment page, so first we need to create a page. So create activity page, and then we select lessons. Select a lesson. For example, now I want to create a pre-assessment page or activity page under understanding the local job market lesson. So I select this one, and then I type like something like pre-assessment. Okay, after that, because now I forget what kind of page it should be, so I just give the large number, because later we can use our order page function to change the order, so it doesn't matter. Now we select the publish this page to see. So here this is the information for this activity page. Okay, so now under lesson 2. Okay, I'm not sure this is lesson 2 or not, but I call it under this lesson. Okay, under this lesson. Okay, under this lesson. After that, we save this page. So now we successfully created this page, but we didn't create the questions for this page. So now we will select this page here. We need to remember the page name, so we select this one. And then you see here is empty, so we need to add a question. So let's see, this is the first question, is do you like Axis career okay, I forgot how to say a career services. Give explanation. Okay, so this is the first question, so we just select a question. Here, if we want our client to see this question, we need to select show. And if we want force the client to answer this question, we need to select yes. Or the client can skip this question, so you just select no, and then we save this question. So now we will see we have the first question. And then, because the first question is open field question, so we do not need to create some extra selections for this question. Now let's create the second question. Let's see, second question is how many years you know Axis. Okay, so this is the second question, and we need to show, and we force the client to answer this question, so we select yes and save. Because this is questions, we need to ask the client to give some options for the client to select, so we need to add some options here. So we can see here, we can see a pound sign here. That means this question is mandatory. The client must answer this question. So now we create our options. Click the plus sign, the blue plus sign, and then we can add a selection. So here, let's see, like 10 years ago. This is the first thing, so you can see 0, and then because this is radio button, is not a text box, so here I see okay. The score means because later we may have some like questionnaire or some test. So if you give the mark here, it can calculate the score for this page. But now this page just like a question and answer, so we do not need to give the score to this question, and it's not a test page. So we just leave 0 here, and then we need to show, and we need to ask the client to answer this question, but it doesn't matter, so we just put no here because we have already gave a sign here, you see the pumpkin, so I just save. Okay, so now we have the first option, and then it's select the second question. Let's see, 5 years. 5 years ago. So here is the second option. Okay, everything is okay. And then we give another one. Let's see, 1 year ago. So here, this is the second, the third one. So here, okay, everything is okay. So now we just have 3 options. This is the second question, and then we add another third question, and the third question is have you used the same system as Axis? Okay, so this is the third question, so we give 2 here. Actually, question index is used to order all the questions, the same meaning as the page index. So let's see, save. Okay, after that, have you used, okay, so here we need to give options for the client. So the first one is yes. First one is no, I never used this system before. Okay, so this one should be a checkbox, right? It's a radio box. Okay, so let's see, we put the index 0 to here, and it's not mandatory. Okay, and then we need another one. Another one is what? Another one is yes. So because when we put yes, we want to track what kind of system the user uses, so we just say yes. Yes, please put the system name. Okay, so this is the second one. We just select text field in order to let the user put the system it used before. Okay, save. So now we can see we have a text box here, and then we will create another one. So another one should be okay. Let's see, this is the fourth question. Okay, so fourth question should be what kind of information you want to get. Okay, this is the fourth one, right? This is third one. Okay, because the index is start from 0, so now the first one is third, but it doesn't matter. It's based on your preference. You can set the first page as 1, but for me, I like to see the first page as 0. So now let's save it. Okay, so now we have the fourth one, and then we add the options for the user. Okay, so the first one, what kind of information? Okay, electronic document. Okay, let's see, suppose we have that one, so it's 1. Okay, it's 1, or you can put 0. Okay, so this is a checkbox. Checkbox means you can multi-select different options. Okay, so now save. Okay, and then because okay, later I will explain what is. Okay, and then we add another one, electronic document, or maybe we want some like brochures. Okay, checkbox. This is 1. Okay, save. Okay, brochures. Don't worry. The order will reverse. Although you see here, this is the first one, this is the second one. But when you show and preview these things, this order will reorder. Okay, and then let's see. I have another one called brochures, and also I want some like video tutorial videos. Okay, this is the second one, checkbox. Okay, save. Okay, tutorial video, and also I want like something books. Okay, job hunting box. Okay, this is the third one, so checkbox. Okay, save. So now, because we want the user want to have some electronic document, but we are not sure what kind of format it like. So we can click the plus sign in front of this option and add more sub selection here. So PDF files. Okay, so you can see it's one. Okay, let's save. Okay, and then we can another one, or maybe we want a Word file. Okay, this is second one. Or maybe we want the user to have Word file, PDF file, or plain text. Okay, so this is 3. Okay, let's save. Okay, so now you can put as many as you want because there is no limitation for this tree. We call this tree. So after we finish this question, and then I can add another question. Let's see. This is the fifth question. The fifth question is what kind of job you want to get. Okay, let's see, this is 4, and we force the user to answer this question. Okay, so now, because this is an open field question, so I just leave this one here. Okay, so let's suppose we have already finished these questions. Okay, and then we can preview it. Click this sign here. So we can see this is a question we create based on that format. So the user can type the information and the user can select the things here. Also, the user can select these things, you see. Okay, and then the user can answer the question. Okay, but now, for example, here we have plain text, we have Word file, but we don't want these two options shows up because we didn't finish these two things. So what we can do is we can go back to this control panel. So we click this sign, the triangle sign. Okay, here let's see, we didn't prepare the Word file, so let's click the triangle sign. Okay, and then we click hidden or something like that. Okay, and you click save. After you click save, you can see a hidden string here. That means this one won't shows in that image, or it shows in this page. So let's go back and review it. Click here. So you see here there is no Word file. And then after the user finish, the client finish this question, it can click the submit button, but I didn't finish that. I will finish it these days. So this is the basic things and how we can create a question or a question or test or pre-assessment. So now we can see, because we put, okay, so lesson 1, this is lesson 1, and the pre-assessment is here. So what we need to do is we need to put the pre-assessment in front of after menu and in front of introduction to job market. So what we can do, let's go back to here and then we click order page. After we click order page, because we want to modify one page, the pre-assessment page, so we click this one. And after that, we see we have already automatically selected this lesson. So we just move that page. That page is pre-assessment. So now it's 100. So we need to select this one. And then before which page? Before this page. So we click this one. And then we confirm. Or you can do something like move this page. Which page? This page. And after which one? Menu. So it's the same meaning, but it depends on which one you want to use. So let's say we click this one. Confirm switch. Okay. Okay, successfully move this one to here. So let's see. Now we can see, right? So the pre-assessment is come to here. Okay. So all the page are automatically connect to each other. Let's refresh this page and see. Okay, so you see this page is here, and everything here is in this page. So this one is the information we type in the open text area, and this is the question things we made. So we can see we can click next, and then we go to job market, and then we click back, so we can go to this question there, and then back. Okay, we can go to the main menu. Okay, so this is a tutorial for how to create a activity page or pre-assessment page for each lesson.